Hello guys, hello again. So let's start with new project, and the first product from this line is this flight controller. It is all-in-one. So you have, there is magnetometer, barrel, airspeed sensor, GNSS sensor, power distribution board. There is extension for Raspberry Pi, or our new extension module. So now finish with pitot tube. Is for dynamic pressure and for static air pressure, also for barometer. You just need to cut this 3mm tube, insert. This pitot tube is printed with TPU 3D filament. So now we can use few drops. Okay. Now insert flight controller into the cage. Up. Now insert this high tube, the dynamic pressure tube. Okay. Now the low pressure, the static pressure tube. Okay, it's done. Now you can up camera module. Up. Okay, now connect flight controller, the mission planner via USB. You can use this calibration cradle. Up. Okay. Now we can calibrate flight controller, setup, accelerometer calibration, place level, left side, right side. Nose down, nose up, back, calibration done. Okay. Now we can add your receiver. We are using MLRS, and you just push it in and it's done. So now we can insert it to our plane. Oops. Okay, basic is done. Now we can connect battery. Connect it. And now you have for telemetry also in your radio. And you can connect radio with your desktop, and you can also connect radio MLRS with your computer, with your ground station. Mavlink connection. So now it's via MLRS Mavlink. Here, here, and from here to here.